Check it. Yesterday, Jeremy and I got out on the water for the first time in a long time in the kayaks together, and it was a scorcher. We tried to get out at like 3 o'clock in the morning or something so we could fish before the sun came up, because it's about an hour-and-a-half drive for us to get to the coast. But we couldn't do it. That alarm clock went off and both of us just turned over and went back to sleep. So we finally got on the water at about, I'd say about 8:30, and we were done by 10:30, 11. It was so hot, so fast, but we got on some fish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment. Guys, at the end of this video, I am doing a cleaning as well. I'm not gonna tell you what kind of fish. You have to watch the video. Jeremy and I are about to go get on the water in the kayaks. We had to start the morning off right and get some food in our stomachs. I guess it's hard for people to spell Reggie. I've never been called Becky before, but I guess that's a first time for everything.
It's probably from Starbucks.
Nah, it was Chick-fil-A. What's a mudfish?
Yeah.
Basically, it's a baby shoe pig. Let's go get some shrimp, man. One of those fish that like I catch in Louisiana, like crazy. Come on, let's go, man. Redfish, Flounder, speckled trout, what?
Speckle.
Usually speckled trout. All right, let's see.
How are you?
So guys, we're about to pick up some live shrimp, and we'll be using lures while we're out. Probably gulp swimming mullets and the shrimp. You gonna say it? Let's go get some!
Let's go get some.
Let's go, Jeremy.
Alright, people, don't look behind you. Don't look behind you and you'll be okay.
Did you put on sunscreen, dude?
Yes.
Alright, come on. And you got your face covering. Cover your face. Right now you're alright. But if you're facing that way, you need to cover it. Come on, let's go. Was he showing when he hit it?
Yes.
Get him, boy. With the rod up. You got it. Your rod up. You got him, pal.
He's exhausted, eh?
Woo! It's alright. It's alright. Keep your rod up. Keep your rod.
He's tired.
Come on. Keep that rod up. Way to go, big boy. Rod up. Rod tip up. Let's see. Jeremy has got something. Let's see what it is, guys. Woo! Don't muscle, don't horse it. You're good. Keep your rod up. There you go, boy. Way to go. Oh, Jeremy, it's a nice big red. Keep your rod up. There you go. Keep your rod tip. There you go. You don't have to muscle him. You don't have to muscle him.
Too bad.
Hold on. No, don't make him pop your line. Don't make him pop it. All right, take your time. Take your time. Take your time, pal. Take your time. We're gonna get it. Whoa! Woo! Hold on. Keep your rod tip. Come back this way. Hold on. Hold on. You good. Hold on. Got him, boy! Woo! Jeremy, good job, boy! Give me some! That's what I'm talking about! Wow! That's your first keeper red, man. Wait, is that your first keeper red? No? Okay. Way to go, boy. Woo. Huh?
My hand's red.
Your hands are red?
Even on the glasses, it's red.
Yeah? Man. He got you, dude.
It looks like
Whoa. Way to go, man. Jeremy.
I looked as soon as he hit it.
Big man.
I told you using big shrimp was a good idea.
Big boy.
Right before he hit it. Just before.
Okay. So here, you wanna, let's see how big he is for you, okay?
Oh, he's a keeper.
Hold that. Oh yeah, he's a keeper, dude. For sure.
If he's not, then I'll be surprised.
Nah, he's a keeper, man. So he goes. So Jeremy, what you do is you squeeze the tail, and he goes 24 inches. 24 inches with the pinch tail, man. Awesome. Absolutely awesome, pal. Absolutely awesome, Jeremy.
My arm hurts.
Was this worth waking up so early in the morning?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's so much meat in it.
Man. Man. Here, let me get a picture of you. Let's see.
He's not that heavy.
Huh?
He's not that heavy.
No?
No.
Let's see. Let's get a picture. So we got you here.
There's one right there, Dad.
You think?
There's one heavy.
What'd you say? It feels like what?
It feels like pretty. It feels like 3 pounds, but it's pretty big, I think.
Yeah, it is, man. 24 inches. It's great. Go ahead.
I almost got mine wrapped on yours.
All right. Oh,
Yours is exactly where I'm casting my thing.
there you go. Something's on me now. Let's see.
What do you mean? Which one? Yours is exactly where I wanted to catch mine.
No, the round in front of me. I think something's on it. I think so. Let's see. Yep.
Oh. It's not.
Yep. It's a fish. I don't know what it is. Like a flounder. Yep. Yep. It's a fish. I don't know what it is. Like a flounder.
Yeah, it's a flounder, man.
You think?
Yeah, I think it's a flounder. I saw his.
Oh, man.
Oh, dang!
Yeah. It's a big flounder.
It's a monster. It's a monster, Dad.
Yeah, Jeremy, it's a big flounder, dude. Right?
Need help?
Huh?
You need help?
Okay. Got it. Dude, give me some. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh,
There we go, guys.
We're having a good day today.
There we go, fellas.
Hey, sure. I know you want to be free, but you have a purpose.
It's a nice big flounder, guys.
Yeah.
And he is a keeper.
For sure.
Yeah, he's a keeper, dude. It's another keeper, fella. Check it out. Check us out. It's your boy, Reggie Prince. And little Prince Papa. Well, he's in 6th grade now, so he just wants to go by Prince Papa.
Yes.
There we
Son
go.
of that.
Whoa. Whoa, Nessie. Whoa.
Hey, you monkey. Hey, little fish.
Hold on.
Pretty big.
Huh? Yeah, it's a big flounder. Yeah, it is. It's a nice big flounder.
I'm trying to make a current to make my shrimp stop.
Huh?
My shrimp's coming this way. I'm trying to make a
And let's see how big this bad boy is. How many inches you think, Jeremy?
21.
Nah, he ain't 21. He might be a good 17 or 18 though, for sure. He might make 17 or 18. Let's see. So he is. So guys, it's pretty hot out here, but
Pretty.
so far, pretty. Yeah, it's pretty hot, huh? Yeah. So far, Jeremy caught a keeper redfish, 24 inches, and then I caught a 19-inch flounder. And I just missed another flounder. So I'll tell you what we're using today. Jeremy was using a live shrimp under a popping cork, and I was using a jig head. Actually, it's a crappie jig head, and I was using live shrimp on that, bumping it across the bottom. So today that seems to be the lick. Let's see if we could get on some more before this heat runs us off the water. Come on, bud.
Still recording.
Yeah, it's still recording. Where's your line? Keep your face and your nose, your stuff covered. You still covered?
By the way, you're right above me.
Yeah?
Almost. Like I
Yeah.
remember when I said we're gonna have something for a long time?
Yeah.
I actually mean it now.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's see. Man, if we can get that sun. Oh, man. There we go. Here comes the shade. Jeremy is a meteorologist. He's predicting the weather.
Just came back.
Dude, you're not a good meteorologist. Ooh. Oh, Jeremy. What happened?
GoPro, stop. He's angry, Dad.
Go ahead, dude. You got to raise your, don't forget you got to raise your pedals. Jeremy, did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah? Just a little bit of fun or a lot of fun?
But
You don't sound too excited.
because of the sun.
Because of the sun? Yeah, I know, it's hot.
Here.
It's hot, dude. I know. But we got on some fish. Okay, so guys, Jeremy and I are about to clean this redfish. Like I said, it was 24 inches. And this was his biggest redfish to date, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's your biggest redfish. You've caught bigger fish, but this is the biggest redfish. So I'm gonna see if my knife has enough power to it. If not, then I'm just gonna use a regular fillet knife. Let's see. I think it's got it out. Huh?
I wasn't. Oh my god, that's a lot of meat.
So I always like to go the other way, like this. I like going from the tail. Go get you some!